If your handset microphone is not working in Windows 10 and 11, don't worry, you can try a few simple steps to fix the problem. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Then select Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also turn on Let's App access your microphone and let Desktop app access your microphone. Next, right click the volume icon on the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Under Input, choose your handset microphone. Make sure the input volume is turned on. If the microphone still doesn't work, scroll down and select More Settings. Open the Recording tab, find your handset microphone, right click on it and select Enable. You can also select it as the default device. Then open Properties. Go to Levels and make sure the microphone volume is turned up. Then click Apply and OK. Finally, if the problem continues, open Device Manager from the Start menu, expand Audio Input and Output, right click your headset microphone and select Update Driver. Follow the instruction on the screen. After completing this step, test your microphone again. If the problem continues, restart your computer. Hopefully it should now work properly. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.